So a very short and sweet message, right? Um, there's someone in your energy field that I'm just told be aware of. This person came into your life and you came into theirs because you had to learn something from each other, of course, right? That's the obvious statement. Now, in the learning, they have an older energy through chronological age with you. So it could be an old, like, it's just someone older, and there's not like a huge gap, but there's a gap sufficient enough to be like someone is in primary school and someone is in high school, or even someone is in primary school and someone is or entering into varsity, right? So this person admires you, you admire them, and I'm not sure, like I said, I'm not sure what the relationship is between you, but the thing that is coming through that catches this person with you is competition that they are still healing within themselves, right? So competition will come as it will come off as like supportive, right? Yet, and when it's time for you to branch out outside of them and possibly leave that relationship or leave the way in which your relationship is, they are afraid of losing the sort of upper hand. I'm getting like the word, like there's a sense like because of the age, a certain perhaps like maturity, perhaps they have more earthly things than you, and maybe that's why they feel like they have the upper hand. So it's translating as you feeling highly uncomfortable, and you might not be able to see um, how your discomfort is playing out, because it's playing out through fawning, and it's coming across as people pleasing. It's coming across as always needing to have a smile on your face to make them feel comfortable and for you to feel safe. It's coming across as mistrust between you, yeah, just between you, one on one or both. Um, but it's definitely coming across as competition and them needing to feel a sense of upper handedness because they don't really have that a lot in their life. So take whatever resonates with you, but what I'm just getting is what you are feeling is not strange. It's because of this particular reason.